I'm here in Epping at our joint venture Repurpose It site. It's a very busy site, and I'm going to try and attempt to tell you what we're doing here, and importantly how that all fits in with the rest of what we're doing across not only the eastern seaboard but the rest of Australia within road services. You'll hear some background noise, you'll see some construction activity. We're upgrading this plant far quicker than we could have ever have hoped because of the sheer volume of material that we're seeing coming in, being repurposed and sent back out to market. Please bear with me. If you can't quite hear me, then just lean in a little bit closer. We're having great fun here. Hopefully you will too. The types of products that we specialise here in are Category C waste, where our technology enables us to wash that waste, achieve certification to enable it to go back out into the construction arena. We also take general construction waste from major civil rehab projects, for example in the rail space or in the highway reconstruction space. We also take things like recycled asphalt, street sweepings, and this particular facility is also capable of washing domestic products like glass that would otherwise go to landfill. So the machine behind us is able to wash that glass, resize it, and then turn it into effectively a sand replacement. Sand is a very important product in a lot of the road making materials that we focus on within the roads division, and as a result we are solving a problem from our general population by substituting virgin materials in some of our road making materials that we're putting out there. We're able to take those products and repurpose them and pull those products away from being turned into waste. We coined the phrase pulling products, not pushing waste. Just down the road from here, about 5 kilometres, we have one of our larger asphalt plants at Somerton. It's capable of producing asphalt at a rate of 300 tonne an hour, but more importantly, we're also able to recycle at a percentage point of around 50%. It's facilities like these that work hand in glove with a facility like Somerton to enable us to ensure that the sustainability of our products and the high recycled content, to ensure that quality is still maintained, yet at the same time ensuring that our cost base is kept very, very low. In other areas, for example in the north of Brisbane at Brendale, we are soon to commission a brand new facility, not dissimilar to what we've got here, with an asphalt plant on that site as well. The asphalt plant is well into construction. We're going to be seeing the commissioning of that plant into early July. It's capable of recycling up to 100%, so it's taken that next quantum leap in technology that's been made available over the last few years, and we've jumped straight onto that. But more importantly, it will also have a facility like this adjacent to it. Not only are we doing that in Brendale, we're also recreating this in Sydney as well. Our new facility in Devon Street, in Rose Hill, will also be featuring the same technology. We're looking forward to these facilities being opened in the very near future. It just underlines again our push for sustainability and remaining market leaders in this space. Importantly, whilst the industry is seeing large levels of stimulus funding come through the government channels, we believe there will be a time in the future whereby this stimulus will be starting to be turned off, and it will be coming down to who has the right technology to produce at the lowest cost for longer. Our ability to recycle and using leading edge technology, we believe will put us on a firm footing to ensure that we're at the front mark and maintain our volumes in a tightening market some years in the future.